We don't do basic around here. We will be embroidering on a t-shirt, but we don't want to compete with everyone on Etsy. This is a 3D embroidery tutorial. I'm going to show you how to get that high-end look with all the right tools. The foam that I use, the font that I use, where I got it, and this tool right here. We're also going to be embroidering on this crop tee, and I'm going to show you where I get it. But by the time we are done with this is going to look like something that belongs in a high-end boutique store. For the supplies we're going to use today is I'm hooping it with my MightyHoop. I've got my Floriani Power Mesh Stabilizer, and then I use a bra thread tearaway stabilizer as well. And I'm going to use this bra thread 3D puff foam. I got this off of Amazon, so I will show you, I will leave the link right there. And I've got a matching thread. We're gonna do pink today, so I'm gonna put these ones aside. And then I'm using pink thread. And then I love this tool. This is a heat gun that I got off Amazon. I will put that in the link as well. Now that we know the supplies that are needed, we're going to hoop the t-shirt. And this is a Bella crop style t-shirt that I got off of S&S Activewear. And I'm using my hoop station, and this is my Floriani Power Mesh Stabilizer. I use this on all of my t-shirts. And as soon as I can find my spray adhesive, I'll just do a really light spray. So who else wastes so much time looking for things that you had in your hand literally 10 seconds ago? Me. Now I'm placing down my bra thread tearaway stabilizer. This is a cheaper stabilizer, which I don't mind using because I already have the Floriani in there. And this is a measurement that I got from Etsy, an Etsy shop. So I'll link that as well because it is super helpful when I'm lining up my designs to make sure that they come out straight. When I first started embroidery, I didn't have the hooping station or the ruler, and a lot of my designs came out crooked. If you use MightyHoops, you want to make sure that you trace out your design to make sure that the needle is not going to hit the frame. And I'm just cutting my foam to size. Oh, don't let me forget to tell you about the font details and where I purchased it. Wow, that is looking so good. If you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and keep watching. Thank you. This font is called Rustic Charm. It's purchased from Stylist Stitchery LLC, and you'll find it on Etsy. And it looks like this, and I'll leave the link right here. You can also find a link for everything that I'm showing you in the description box of this video. Okay, it's done. Look at how beautiful this is. That stitched up so nice. You know how sometimes people will get like loops? I guess, you know, it's got to be a fresh needle. I didn't even check on that. I use the regular 7511 embroidery needles. Now we're just going to carefully peel this away. I'll do a close-up here because I feel like the peeling away part is very satisfying. Take this out. Oh, see, it peels away very easily. That looks so good. Look at that. And then I'm going to actually go over it to make it even more perfect with this heat gun. But let me get these little things out of the little... Oh, this looks so good. I should use my tweezers on this. Oh, I am so obsessed. And then there's a little bit of some hoop burn up here. Let me clean, oh, I love it. Let me clean this part out. People always get confused like that I'm using tearaway, but I'm using both. A very light tearaway, it's just gonna tear away. And then I just cut around this power mesh stabilizer. So all that you're left with is this really light stabilizer. Let me find my scissors. As I'm looking for these scissors, I do have to mention I have an embroidery list that you can sign up for. Just go to shopsimplydelilah.com and you get to this screen right here where it says embroidery supply list. Just scroll down and you can put in your email information and I will email you the entire list of supplies that I use every day. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Look at that. No puckers at all, you guys. This is a proven method that I use all the time with the two stabilizers. Now let's plug this in and we will just lightly, there's like some tiny little frays in it, little tiny little hairs in it. We're going to get it perfect. I think the only thing that I'm going to add, the only tip I'm going to add with this one is that when you turn it on, you don't want to keep it in one spot for very long because you don't want to burn the t-shirt. I did it on a sweater, then it ruins the whole thing. So it's basically like a hair dryer. You can feel it getting hot. And so I'm just going to go like this. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Should I go and try it on? Okay, I'm gonna go try it on and I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. I love this color. What a pretty pink. Okay, this is the pink that I use on like my leopard print shirts and my crew necks. I love this. This is my favorite shirt now, but I gotta think of like other phrases to make on this shirt, but I love it. So what do you guys think? It's like a boutique style shirt. I definitely think I could sell this as a t-shirt on Etsy for like $35. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and let me know if you have any questions, and make sure that you check out my other videos. I have tutorials, I have how to run your business, I even have sewing. So I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, have a good week. Bye guys.